Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to present you the new opportunity which is called 128 BTC. It is an international community. It is a peer-to-peer team crowdfunding that can help us, that can allow us or able us to earn 128 BTC within 3 months. Okay, let's jump into this system and see how we can earn this kind of money. Okay, so what is 128 BTC? 128 BTC is the world's first peer-to-peer team crowdfunding system that allow you to earn half of everything that happens in your organization forever. Okay, it is based on the world famous Mobius Labs and System G technology, which is the most successful peer-to-peer team crowdfunding program in the history. This is not all. The Mobius Labs ensure you always follow your inviter and your team always follow you. 128 BTC team crowdfunding system that's happened, you earn from the upline and the downlines both, so you can start earning Bitcoin just seconds after registering. The platform is designed in a way making it transparent, fully automated, and can be manipulated. There is no middleman, and you immediately receive all your money to put toward any purpose you choose. So guys, you understand that this platform is based on blockchain. It's an open source system, so there is no human behind it, so we can trust this system and it's working very well. So we jump into different steps, so to see how we can earn 128 BTC with this platform. So let's see the different steps. So the first step to start with this crowdfunding system is to register to open an account. Okay, and it's very easy to open an account. You just need your email address, your Gmail, your first name, your name, and you need one BTC address. Okay, so you go into your wallet, you just take your one BTC address where you use it to register. So the next step is to deposit. Okay, 0.0005 BTC, which is equal to around $20 BTC to activate an account. And the last step is just to receive withdrawals. Okay, to receive your money, to start withdraw money every day. Okay, let's explain how it's work exactly. Okay, your success begins with the right platform. If you start with a great platform, your chance of being successful will be very high. 128 is 2x2 peer-to-peer team crowdfunding platform, and 100 of every donation goes to the participant as people earn from the upline and the downline both through the global matrix. Okay, in addition to this, you will continue to get straight 50% of every single you place directly after your 2 direct referral. Yes guys, 50%. Okay, why 50% of their placement will go, or of their donation? Because remember that here is a donation. Okay, 50% of your downline donation will come to you, and 50% will go to your upline, immediate upline. Okay, that's the 2-in-1 power of this system. That's how you make a BTC very fast. The platform is designed in a way making it transparent. Yeah, we just say it at the beginning. So let's go to the next step. Okay, this is the just three simple double step. Okay, step 1, register and become an active donor by making a donation only after registering. Okay, the second step, you need to help 2 people or more to become an active donors. The last step is your 2 or more each. Okay, help 2 or more to become active donor. What it means here, guys, it means what? The first condition is to make a donation after register. Now the second condition, which is more important, is to help at least 2 people, okay, to make also a donation. So once you make your 2 referral make also donation, your account will be activated, so you can now just start earning. But if you want to earn more, you can continue to refer those people, or to help your referral to refer also another people. So when you continue refer, you just earn 50% of all your direct referrals and 10% of your pool incomes. Okay, so we not follow all this PDF documents, so we directly jump into explanation. Okay, so we just earning time. Okay, let's see how it's work exactly. So these are different levels. So here we have level 1, level 2, 6 level in total. And when you donate, okay, the first thing, when you donate 0.005 BTC, now 2 members, okay, so because you need to refer 2 people, we donate also 0.00, which is 0.0010 BTC donation that you receive. Okay, the second thing is, in this amount 0.00750 BTC will be reduced, okay, to upgrade you to the next level. It's automated process, okay, you don't need to make a manipulation or something else. No, it's automatic, and this profit will go directly to your wallet. It will be ready for withdrawals, okay, which is around $12. The next step is, when this upgrade amount it will be reduced, you go directly straight to level 2. okay, 4 people will donate you 0.01, okay, and the upgrade amount will be 0.002, and your profit will be 0. So you just see that 0.0030 is total donation that you receive, and this one will be deducted, and this one will be your profit. Level 3, 8 members will give you donation. Okay guys, let's remember here that it's not compulsory that all these people that make donation are coming from your team. No, this is world team. It's world team, because this is the first condition. The condition that you just need to start upgrade is only to refer 2 people. Once you refer 2 people, you will just be dropped into what we call wall matrix. Okay, wall matrix. So if wall matrix grow very fast, you start have these 4 people, 8 people, 16 people without doing anything else. But those people that continue to refer, they earn an extra 50% and another 10%. So they earn more than those people that they just refer 2 people and start earning their money and stop there. Okay, so the last level, so when you refer, you continue check like this. So let's see here, so 30 people at level 5, 32 people will give you 3.2 Bitcoin, okay, and 2 Bitcoin will be used for your upgrades, and your profit will be 1.2 BTC, which is $55,000. And the last step, you don't need upgrades, so 64 people will give you 2, okay, they will give you 128 Bitcoin, yeah, which is 64 times 2, okay, 64 people will give you this, you don't need to make a donation again because it's this last step, and here your profit will be exactly 128. Okay, so guys, when you see at the end of this, when you finish all this level, your profit will not be only 128 BTC, but it will be this one, okay, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus 128, which is around 129. Is very close to 130 BTC. And those people that continue to refer more than 2 people, they earn very more than that. So that's only what you need to know about this crowdfunding system. So just remember that it's automatic system, it's very automated, it's an open source, and what you need to know again is more you refer people, more you go to the next level very fast. So, and here there is something that I forget to tell you. When you are in every level, in all level, you will stay there around 10 to 15 days, okay, to move to the next level. Because if system was not made like this, those people will come and finish all this within a week, within 2 weeks. So the system will be just stop there. We just slow them down by holding them there, like in each level around 10 to 15 days. Okay guys, so this is what we need to know about this system. I try to explain in English, so you will see in my channel I'm always using French, so I just decide to make it like this to help those people that don't understand French. So my English is not that much good, but I try to explain to you guys. So subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and using my referral link, so we go in the same thing. My team is growing very fast. After 7 days I'm now 11.3. okay guys, so there's many benefits. This is the last thing that you are going to see. One time small amount of pocket, receive donations immediately, instant withdrawal, automatic, transparent and secure platform, automated positioning, 24/7 support, access to real-time dashboard, global fundraising territory, speed from upline and downline, earn up to 128 BTC. Okay guys, that's all. So what you just need now, you have all information about 128 BTC. What you just need now is to register, to log in, and to make your donation and to start earn BTC. Thank you guys to listening to me. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and use my referral link, which is inside description. Just take down and join me in my Telegram channel so we can discuss there, and I'll give you more details about this great opportunity.